गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू SRS IAS एंड लॉ अकेडमी। आज की क्लास जो है ये मेंस आंसर राइटिंग की क्लास होगी। इसमें मैंने आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो दिए थे पिछली क्लासेस में। एक आपका क्वेश्चन था इमरजेंसी से रिलेटेड और दूसरा आपका क्वेश्चन था DPSPs और जो आपके फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज जो होती हैं उनसे रिलेटेड। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन जो है वो मैं आपको दोबारा लिखवा देता हूँ और इसके बाद जो है मैं आपको इसके आंसर जो है वो डिक्टेट करवा दूंगा। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन लिखो। सबसे पहले आपका जो क्वेश्चन था, अंडर what circumstances can the financial emergency be proclaimed by the President of India? Question mark. What consequences follow when such a declaration remain in force? 2018 का क्वेश्चन है ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखो, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोरालिटी इज रूटेड इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इटसेल्फ। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोरालिटी इज रूटेड इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इटसेल्फ एंड इज फाउंडेड ऑन इट्स एसेंशियल facets full stop. Explain the doctrine of constitutional morality. Explain the doctrine of constitutional morality with the help of relevant judicial decisions. ये 2021 का क्वेश्चन है। ठीक है, अब वीडियो पॉज करके आप अपने आंसर जो है वो लिख सकते हो। ठीक है, तो उसके बाद जो है वीडियो रिज्यूम करके ये जो है आप इसके जो मॉडल आंसर जो है वो देख लेना। ठीक है, तो लिखो आंसर। मैं आंसर अब आपको लिखवा रहा हूं इसका फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी का। ठीक है, तो लिखो, इंट्रो डालो। द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया प्रोक्लेम्स द फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी। The President of India proclaims the financial emergency under Article 360 of the Constitution when he is satisfied that the financial stability or credit of India or any part of territory thereof is threatened. Full stop. Next लिखो, the consequences of, पैरा चेंज करके लिखो, the consequences of proclamation of financial emergency are as follow. The consequences of the proclamation of financial emergency are as follow. First लिखो, the executive authority of the center extend to directing any state to observe such canons of canons of financial propriety spelling लिखो यार, propriety propriety as are specified by it and the president may issue directions comma necessary and adequate for the purpose adequate for the purpose. Second point, any such direction may include a provision requiring the reduction of salaries and allowances of all or any class of persons serving in the state, and the reservation of all money bills and other financial bills for the consideration of the president after they are passed by the state legislature, full stop. Next point, the president may issue directions for the reduction of salaries and allowances of all or any class of persons serving the union and the judges of Supreme Court and the high courts, full stop. Next, change karo, para change karo. Till now financial emergency has never been invoked in India, ठीक है. तो ये था आपका आंसर फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी वाले का. अब नेक्स्ट आंसर लिखो अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोरालिटी वाला, ठीक है. ये थोड़ा लंबा है आंसर, लिखो. Constitutional morality is defined as the adherence, ADHERENCE, is defined as the adherence to the principles of constitutional value, full stop. It includes commitment to inclusive and democratic political process. Full stop. According to Dr. Ambedkar, comma, the concept of constitutional morality, according to Dr. Ambedkar, the concept of constitutional morality implied the harmonious interaction between the governing and governed, full stop. Para change. Through the term constitutional morality, though the term constitutional morality is not found in the constitution, comma, nevertheless nevertheless it is rooted in various facets of the constitution, facets of the constitution, such as इनके बाद कॉलन डालो, इन सबसे पहला लिखो प्रीएम्बल, ब्रैकेट में लिखो वैल्यूज लाइक जस्टिस कॉमा लिबर्टी, कॉमा इक्वालिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी, FRATERNITY, फ्रेटर्निटी। सेकंड लिखो फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज, पहला हो गया प्रीएम्बल, सेकंड लिखो फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज, थर्ड लिखो फंडामेंटल राइट्स, फोर्थ लिखो डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी, DPSPs। ठीक है, इन चारों जगहों पे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल जो है, जो मोरालिटी जो है वो डीपली रूटेड है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पैरा चेंज करके लिखो द डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोरालिटी, the doctrine of constitutional morality safeguards and upholds the enforcement of rule of law in the country, full stop. It recognizes this distinction and non-homogeneity, GENITY, HOMOGENEITY, non-homogeneity, and promotes diversity, comma, helping to make the society more inclusive, full stop. It also promotes people to be an active participant of the system, and fight the inequalities and non-constitutional elements, full stop, para change. The Supreme Court has been vocal about constitutional morality, full stop. To illustrate के बाद कॉलन डालो। To illustrate पहला लिखो in Krishnamurthy case 2015 Supreme Court held that democracy expects prevalence, prevalence of genuine, genuine orderliness, orderliness, comma, positive propriety, PROPRIETY, positive propriety, comma, dedicated discipline and sanguine sanctity, SANGUINE, sanguine sanctity, SANCTITY, sanguine sanctity, by constant affirmance, AFFIRMANCE, affirmance of constitutional morality, which is the pillar stone of good governance. which is the pillar stone of good governance. Full stop. Next case लिखो. In justice K.S. Puttaswamy case, Justice K.S. Puttaswamy case 2018, the Supreme Court held that the constitutional morality ensures that courts must neutralize neutralize the excess of power by the executive and strike down any legislation or even executive action even if it is, दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूं, in judicial K.S. Puttaswamy case 2018, the Supreme Court held that constitutional morality ensures that courts must neutralize the excess of power by the executive and strike down any legislation or even executive action if it is unconstitutional. Full stop. Third case लिखो. In the government of NCT of Delhi case 2018, Supreme Court equated constitutional morality to a second basic structure doctrine. Full stop. It said that constitutional morality act as a check on arbitrary use of power arbitrary use of power as it implies strict and complete adherence adherence to the constitutional principles. Full stop. Next case लिखो. In the Indian Young Lawyers Association case 2018, in the Indian Young Lawyers LAWYER Lawyers Association case 2018, commonly known as Sabrimala case, the Supreme Court bypassed the doctrine of essentiality, 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 ब्रैकेट में लिखो. the principle protecting the integral religious practices of a community, the principle protecting the integral religious practices of a society, bracket close, to uphold the supremacy of constitutional morality, full stop. Conclusion लिखो. Constitutional morality is crucial for constitutional laws to be effective is crucial for constitutional laws to be effective. Full stop. Without constitutional morality, the operation of the constitution tends to become arbitrary. Full stop. However, comma, the concept of constitutional morality, need not to be determined by Supreme Court at every given instance. Full stop. It is a sentiment that needs to be cultivated in the minds of citizens. ठीक है, तो ये थी आपकी आज की क्लास, और इसी के साथ जो है हमारे दोनों क्वेश्चंस जो है वो फिनिश होते हैं. ठीक है, अब जो आपकी जो नेक्स्ट क्लास होगी उसमें आपको जो है ये जो है हम यूनियन जो है वो नेक्स्ट क्लास होगी उसमें यूनियन जो है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, तो उसमें बेसिकली आपका पार्लियामेंट वगैरह वो सब, लोकसभा राज्यसभा, वो सारा उसी में आपका जो है वहाँ पे कवर होगा. ठीक है, तो आज की जो आपकी क्लास जो थी वो यहीं तक थी. थैंक यू सो मच.